Before placing the cover on the drum, inspect the cover and ensure there is no contamination from other external surfaces that have been picked up on the inside of the cover. Ensure that the cover is flat when approaching the drum opening. This will help prevent any contamination from dropping into the container. Place the cover on the drum and feel around the cover to ensure it is level and the cover is fully seated onto the drum body. The cover should slide down the drum body sides easily. If it is difficult, stop, remove the cover and start again. Do not force the cover onto the drum. Start with applying the tape approximately 1.5 inches above where the cover meets the body of the drum. Wrap the tape around the drum continuously, once around 1.5 inches above where the cover and body meet. Then lowering the tape wrap to cover where the cover and body meet for one full rotation. Finally, continuously lower the tape wrap down 1.5 inches below where the cover and body meet and wrap the tape for one full rotation, until you meet where the tape was originally started on the drum. A full 3 revolutions of tape are needed to properly close as per the closing instructions. Cut the tape. To ensure that the adhesive is fully engaged, use the palms of your hands. Rub the tape going around the drum and from top to the bottom of where it was applied. The closure instructions will detail the method used for closure when the drums were tested. They contain written instructions by which the package must be closed. Ensure that you can locate and match the correct tape indicated on the closure instructions. Please do not proceed if you cannot match tape being applied to the closure instructions or the tape is being substituted for a tape that does not match the instructions. If in doubt, please contact Greif Technical Services at techserve.questions@greif.com. The latest closure instructions are provided with each shipment of new drums and will accompany the packing slip, or with the manufacturer's test report. In the event you do not have this document, please contact Greif Technical Services at techserve.questions@greif.com.